This video quickly walks you through on how to compare two or more sources in NotebookLM. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to launch a web browser. Here, I'll be using Google Chrome. Visit notebooklm.google.com. You can see the web link here. After that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. By this side, you will see featured notebooks, right? And this contains the projects you have worked on, as well as the create new notebook button. So I will click on this for us to start. So once it opens, it wants you to add source, all right? But I will close this and give this a name. Let's say Windows 11 comparison, okay? So I want to compare different sources that talks about Windows 11, okay? So I'll click on this add source. So here you can type maybe Windows 11 or any title you want to source on before you start the comparison. Then after that, you click on search. It should bring a lot of sources for you, which you can import at the end. But I don't want to do that in this case. I have some files or a file and a web link I want to compare. So I'll click on upload files. Get to the file in my PC, click on it and click on open. So this source will be added, right? It's added the source and summarized it immediately. But that's not what you're interested in, okay? So let's go and add the second source. I'll click on add sources again. Then here is a link I want to add, a YouTube link, all right? So I'll click on this and then I'll paste it here because I've already copied it. I'll click on insert. So it will analyze this video and add it as part of the source. Okay, you can see we have two selected. So we're going to start work, and that work is to compare these two. So for you to compare files or sources as the term used by NotebookLM, please click on select all, right, for the two sources to be selected. Now let's ask it a question. I will say compare these two sources. So after typing your prompt, click on send. And here we are. It has come up with the answer, right? Comparing both. It says both sources serve as educational guides for learning how to use Windows 11, but they differ significantly in format, depth, scope, and target audience. All right. Then format and structure. It says the YouTube source. This is a transcript from a video titled How to Use a HP Laptop Windows 11. So you can read through. So when you take your mouse to each of these, you will see some details which can call references, okay, in respect to that particular file or source, as they put it. Then this second one says the ebook source. This is structured written document titled Windows 11 for Beginners and Seniors by Chris V. Bernard. All right, so you can see a source there named for, so a reference named for. So when you take your cursor there, it will give you some details about that particular book, which you can call reference in this case. All right, so it explains more target audience, why both sources cater for to new users. The video targets absolute beginners who may have never used a computer before. Okay, so this is how you compare it. Maybe you can prompt it again and ask which of both sources is more educational or goes detail in Windows 11. So I look at the prompt I have here. I say which of the two sources is more resourceful. Then I will click on send for it to bring up the result. Okay, here is the feedback. The ebook source is overwhelmingly more resourceful. Okay, so what this explains to you is that video tutorial is good, but when you buy books, you may get more information from inside. So any of this information you feel is okay, all you need to do is to click on save to note for it to be saved as note by this side. If you get to the first section we have here, you can click on save to note. So once you save to note, it will be added here, and anytime you log into your account, you can always use the notes for anything you want to use it for. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.